Today we talk about the purple cow. And no, I didn't smoke anything funny before making this video. I want to talk about the book of Seth Godin and apply all the knowledge that I got from this book into how to make a product that sells itself. Hello everybody, my name is Stefano from Labelado, and if you didn't yet, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. So let's delve into it. Seth Godin, the author of this book, is the modern marketing guru, and his ideas are game-changing. Whether you're selling a product or a service, but you're having difficulties in marketing the product, I'm pretty sure that your product or service is top level. The problem is that nowadays you're going to face a lot of competition, a lot of noise in the market is making your product disappear completely. And having a good or a very good product is not enough. You need to market it. And the wrong approach is to make the best product possible and then trying to invest time and money in trying to market it. By summarizing it, the idea behind Seth Godin's Purple Cow is that you need to create a product that sells itself. A product that has its own marketing approach already in its core. So let's have a look on how you can improve your marketing strategy for your product by making it remarkable. The first thing that you need to consider is that nowadays, even if we live in the digital era, the best advertisement that your product can receive is from word of mouth. People are used to banners, advertisement, social networks, ads. Our brain, after years of seeing this continuous source, has created its own filters. So to stand out from the crowd, you need to be a purple cow. Why a purple cow? Because imagine you're traveling by car and you see all the cows in the grassland and all of them are brown, white and black, but just one is purple. Once you spot that purple cow, you stop thinking about the others. They just disappear. You can only see the purple cow because that cow is remarkable. You need to become the purple cow. Your product needs to become the purple cow. Taking risks. If you're working in any kind of business, the last thing you want to take is too much risk. Avoiding risks is the worst thing you can do to your product and your company. If you try to be conservative, other competitors will surpass you and they will gain advantage. Other tips that emerge from reading The Purple Cow are: your product shouldn't be boring. If your product is plain, if your product is like any other product, don't expect by paying lots of money to Google Ads, to your marketing team, that product will magically sell. That could only happen like 30, 40 years ago probably. But nowadays, this strategy doesn't work anymore. As I told you before, people are used to banners, that people are used to advertisement in general. Exaggeration. Exaggeration is something that people can quantify. While you're exaggerating something, people can see the quantity, the impetus from that amount of strategy of talking about your product, of extra features that you're giving to it. If your competitors are doing something, double that amount. Are your competitors going only in one direction? Try to go the exact opposite way. Think about all the things that they are doing to market their product and try to do something completely different. So I will leave a couple of slogans for you to completely understand what this book is about. I will still suggest to read this book. It's a very tiny book, so it will take you probably just one sit to finish it, but I want to give to you 4 quotes that are coming from this book and have them in mind every time you're trying to accomplish something great, creating your product packaging, your product label, your marketing campaign. Number one, don't be boring. Number 2, safe is risky. Number 3, design rules now. And number 4, very good is bad. The last one, you're probably going to understand it better if you read the book. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to hit the like button if you like the video. If you want more videos about branding and strategically marketing your product, consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss any. And as always, love you all. Ciao!